Good day, student. We have studied the chapter 5 Cell Basic Unit of Life. In this chapter, we have covered these following topics: prokaryotic cell and eukaryotic cells, multicellular organism, cell membrane and cell wall, cell organelles like chloroplast, mitochondria, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi apparatus, nucleus, and chromosomes, basic structures and numbers. First topic: discovery of cell. In 1665, Robert Hooke, English scientist, saw a cell in a thin slice of cork with his own microscope. He observed cell as a honeycomb structures and named them after that cells. This is the first discovery that living organism consist a number of small structures or units like a compartments. Next topic: what are living organisms made up of? लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म कैसे बने होते हैं? तो जस्ट ए बिल्डिंग इज मेड ऑफ लाइक ए ब्रिक ऑफ द बॉडी. ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म मेड अप ऑफ सेल्स. जैसे कोई बिल्डिंग ब्रिक से बनी होती है तो बॉडी हमारी सेल से बनी होती है. बेसिस ऑफ द सेलुलर ऑर्गेनिज्म, दीज आर ऑफ द टू टाइप्स, यूनिसेलुलर and multicellular. Unicellular like amoeba, paramecium, which made of the only single cell, and organism which made up more than one cell is called multicellular. It's like human being. Next topic: shape and size of cell. Shape and size of cell may vary, but of all these are determined basically by specific function. Some cell can change their shape like amoeba, WBC, but plants and animals almost have fixed shape. Smallest cell, PPLO, mycoplasma. Largest cell, orchid egg. Longest animal cell, nerve cell. Just like एक माइक्रोमीटर या माइक्रोन इज 1/1000 of millimeter. These are the basic difference unicellular and multicellular. Unicellular made of only single cell, but multicellular made up of many number of cells. Single cell able to perform all the life process like obtaining food, respiration, growth and reproduction. Same in multicellular cell have a basic structure and similar basic life activities. Unicellular cannot be divided into cells because they are also acellular organism. But in multicellular, different shape and aggregated to form different tissue from organs, and organs give rise to organ system that perform special function. Examples for the multicellular: plants, animals and fungi, and in unicellular, amoeba and paramecium. Cell is a basic unit of life. Just like the function, it performs all life basic functions like intake of foods, metabolism, respiration, etc. Second is division of labor. Basically, cell having number of component is called cell organelles, and each cell organelles perform different functions. It's like clearing waste material, protein making, lipid making, etc. Next topic, what is cell made up of? A cell is a tiny mass of protoplasm which is surrounded by a membrane and is capable of performing all function of life. Basically, a typical cell have different three parts. First one, plasma membrane to create a separate environment. Second one, nucleus for its control activity. Cytoplasm processing a metabolic machinery. There is a figure of the cell. In the green circle is the nucleus and light green part is cytoplasm, and circle around it is called the cell membrane, which is separate from the environment. We have discussed today only 3 to 4 points. First one, cell, types of cells, cell shapes, and cell made up. So then, thank you. Have a good day.